Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at for and since step by step. There's going to be a lot of information, so all you need is to pay attention and get ready to learn. So let's start with for. We use for plus length, duration of time. Okay, so what's the duration length? 20 minutes is the length of time. 4 hours is the length of time. Every morning I run on the track for 15 minutes. I've lived in this flat for 6 years. Peter and Luna have been married for 7 years. In all of these examples, I've used for plus length of time and also a number like 20 and 15. This isn't necessary to use a number. It can also be a time phrase like for the weekend, for a couple of days, for ages, for a long time. We are going to Paris for the weekend. I have been studying English for a long time. We use for when we talk about past, present, or future. Okay, now let's talk about since. We use since plus starting point of time. I have been using this laptop since 2019. Here 2019 is the starting point. I've been running since 4 p.m. Here 4 p.m. is the starting point. It has been raining since 9 a.m. So what's the starting point here? Yes, you are right, it's 9 a.m. With all of these examples, I've used since plus a start of time. Again, the number 2019, 9 a.m. isn't necessary. It can also be a time phrase. Jim has been studying since day one of college. The day one is the starting point. Remember, we use since with perfect tenses. Now let's compare for and since. I've had this car for 5 years. I've had this car since 2013. I have been studying for 30 minutes. I have been studying since 9 p.m. I've been living here for 9 years. I've been living here since 2016. We are talking about the same thing here, but the grammar is different. So that's all for today's video. The free key PDF of this lesson is available in the description box. You can download it for free. Do like this video and consider subscribing if you want to see more video lessons like this.